Hello, in this video, we'll be talking about setup visit types. The visit types are what identifies how a client heard about you for marketing purposes. You are able to use these visit types in your reporting so you can know how much revenue you are driving in from different marketing efforts, or maybe through walk ins or referrals or requests for specific employees, and so on. To set up the different visit types, simply go to Setup, Setup Client Preferences, and the Visit Type tab. Down here, you'll identify what your different visit types are. You can deactivate a visit type simply by unchecking the active checkbox. You can also edit the information about a visit type. For example, this is Request Employee, and you could update this to say Request Worker if you so choose. And then if I want to create a new item, I can simply click add, and maybe you want to track how many of your clients are hearing about you through social media. And then of course, when you're all done, just simply click save. How this works is in the under the appointment book, when you go to book an appointment, there is an option to select a visit type, and you can designate here how they heard about you or how they, maybe they were a walk-in, and you can identify that. And then there's many reports that will identify your revenue or number of visits based on your visit type. In addition to this, we also have set up appointments and emails. You can set a preference that anytime an appointment is booked, maybe through Find Appointment or Express Booking, you would require a visit type to be selected. Now, keep in mind when you are setting up your visit types, these are things that are unique to your business that you want to track. One of the beautiful things about our software is it will track your new clients. So anytime somebody has their first visit in your salon, it's going to track that. If somebody was online booked, it will track that as well. If they are new and online booked, it will track that. If it's reoccurring because it's a standing appointment, they'll track that. If the person has a previous appointment, it will also track that. So there are things that simply by just using the system, our software will identify those different types of clients by just the way that they were booked or their previous experiences with your salon or business. Thank you for watching and have a great day.